Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to use and generate QR code. Search QR code generator. Click on www.qr-code-generator.com. Click on Sign In.
Everything changes.
Enter in your details like so. Click the login button and log in.
Life.
Activate your account from your email. Select any type of format as you like. You can also make a QR code for any of the following: websites, social media, coupons, visiting cards, and much more. Enter your details. Select the style according to your need. Now you can scan your QR code from your mobile device. Open your camera or QR code scanner and scan the code. You can also use QR code scanner.
Life.
You can get all the information in your mobile. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon. Also like the video if you liked it.